What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I didn't really plan on filming this, so it's not really a big deal. I'm just going to be doing a vitamin C treatment, maybe two, to try to remove the rest of this pink. The purple you see here, if you haven't watched previous videos, is actually a blend of strawberry leopard grapeful that's faded, and the pink just went over it and created purple. I don't expect that to be removed. I actually did a bleach bath on it before and it lightened it, but it didn't remove it. So I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get, but we'll see. But I do think it will hopefully remove this pink. My roots are still like pretty yellow underneath. That's why at the base it's more like an orangey tone, because I put pink over, and pink and yellow equal orange. So I've got my vitamin C mixed up. I used this, and these are like multicolored. That's why the mixture is like a ugly orange brown color. It's not appealing, but it's irrelevant. I also mixed in Head and Shoulders and some dishwashing soap to help strip the hair even more. And yeah, after I put it on, I'm going to put a heating pad on and sit for probably 20-30 minutes, rinse in hot water, and see what I'm left with. And based on those results, I might do it a second time. Sometimes the second round can be the trick to get it out if the first time doesn't go through, but we'll see. I'm gonna wet my hair and get started. Okay, I've got it on. I'm gonna sit with this on my head under a heating mat for roughly 30 minutes, and I'll be back with the results of that. Also, if this goes well enough, I might also, in the same video, do my roots again, just to get them light enough. I don't need to do much. This should be a pretty short video, I'm guessing, so I'm just gonna put it up like on a Monday, and it'll just be an extra video for the week, so you're welcome. Okay, first wash down, and I am going to go ahead and do a second round of the vitamin C treatment and see where we're left with after that. I left it on for like 30 minutes with the heat pad and everything, and I don't really see much difference actually, which is kind of surprising because this is like a pastel pink look, and it was coming out pretty quickly in the wash, like just through regular washing. I just kind of wanted to speed it up. So hopefully this second round will do the trick. Alright, I'll be back in 30 more minutes and show you the final result. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are after both those vitamin C treatments, and I feel like the pink almost looks the same, like a little bit faded, but is it my imagination or is the blue actually faded a bit? It's hard to say, but I went ahead and changed my shirt because I'm going to just switch to the baking soda method, which is not ideal, but it is better than like just bleaching your hair trying to get the color out. I probably should just do color, oops, but I don't want to smell like crap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the baking soda method. I have a video of me doing it before. It works really well, but it is very drying and at least slightly damaging. I'm only gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes though. It works pretty quickly. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. But basically it's a mixture of baking soda, Nano shampoo, 10 volume developer, dishwashing soap. That's mostly it. I think I might have used even more ingredients than that in my other video, but I'm not doing all that this time. I have not that much hair to begin with, so I'm just gonna put it on. I will wet my hair first as well, so it'll be even further diluted and also easier to spread around. And then I'm gonna do a hydrating mask afterwards. I'll be back to show you what the results of that is. Hopefully we can get the majority of this out, so in a few days, when the oils on my scalp build up a little bit, I can re-bleach the roots right here. Actually, the developer might lighten it a little bit to where I won't feel the need to do that. What I'm doing next doesn't require super light hair, but the orange could be problematic for certain colors that I'll be doing. So I'm just gonna stop talking. We're just gonna do it and see what happens. Sorry, my recording cut off in the middle of applying this because I was just out of storage. But here it is applied. I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes and be right back. Okay, it's a few days later and here is what I was left with. The pink is pretty much gone. I'm left with kind of a strawberry blonde orange type of look here. It's actually like kind of cool. I've been like okay with it for the few days that I've kind of let my hair rest and build up some natural oils to prepare it for what I'm going to do next, which is bleaching my roots once more. What I'm going to do next, I probably could leave it like this, but I want to just go ahead and take care of the roots while I can so I don't have to worry about the regrowth being weird if I waited any longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the roots one more time with 20 volume developer and the ion cream bleach that I used last time. It did a pretty good job, but as usual, I have to do a second lightening to get my hair where it needs to be for things I have planned in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and get my bleach mixed up and get started on touching up these roots. Okay, I've got my roots all hit up with the bleach. I'm going to spray inside this shower cap just for moisture to keep my hair wet, and I'm gonna let it sit for Probably 20 minutes. I don't want to take it off too soon. I feel like it's probably better for it to leave it on longer than to have to re-bleach over and over to get the desired result. So I'm going to try to be a little more patient this time. I'm always a little bit paranoid when I have bleach on my head, but I think it's going to be okay. I'll be right back to show you how this comes out. Okay, here it is. Very pale. I think I could do probably whatever I want to this within reason, because I still have to deal with these blue ends. They could throw a wrench in my plans. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.